Here's how to fix the Easy Anti-Cheat error code 30005. Open File Explorer and navigate to your C drive, then Program Files times 86, then open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Inside, find the file easyanticheat.os and delete it by right-clicking and selecting the trash icon. If it will not delete, restart your computer first, then try again. Once deleted, return to Steam and try launching your game. If that does not fix it, go to your Steam library, right-click the affected game, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to reach 100% and check again. This error can also occur if you have another game using Easy Anti-Cheat still running in the background when you try to launch a second one. Open Task Manager and confirm the first game is fully closed before launching another title that also uses Easy Anti-Cheat. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.